can continue.
Alright, bitch, let's do this. I'm about to be in this intro.
Can you shut up? God.
It's your boy back with this.
Alright, and I'm about to do my makeup, whatever.
Which Hazel? They should
She
know.
gonna prime my skin with this, even though I really have a primer right there, but it's okay.
You need to use both primers.
Go, Payday, go, go.
What are we doing today?
Goddamn shit.
Please don't touch my earpods.
So do this as you could dry. So we're gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Don't mind my nails, Jesus.
Wait, we gotta tap it and then do that.
e.l.f. Poreless
It's
Face
pink.
Primer. This primer is only for people with opening pores. You could have hydrating primer for dry skin.
Oh, guess who's coming? Kevin. My dad.
And now,
I'll see you tomorrow, baby.
what is the one that we always buy? The eyebrow pencil.
Jap is coming.
There's the one that we always get at the corner.
Oh, I don't use eyebrow pencil. Oh, you use that? Oh, I use the pomade.
Okay, we can use the pomade.
Yeah, these.
Where's the pomade?
I'm not talking about the brushes. Because you're supposed to. You're a makeup artist.
This. Where's the pomade?
Go, Payday, go, go.
So she better finesse my eyebrows, guys. Because if she don't,
Taking it out, like
you want. Okay, let me help you. Because since you just don't know.
you're going to.
It's literally right there. Like, it's literally right
Bro,
there.
let me
Just
tell
put it in.
Look how empty this is.
Y'all see it. You see it
through it.
You see it.
Coffee bean.
Okay, let me help you. Because obviously, let me just do my own eyebrows. Because this is This is empty. This is empty.
Bro, because you. Okay.
It's right there. What you talking about?
It's still empty. You need to
This is
get-
empty? Like, what? Okay, so this is empty, guys. Yikes.
Go, Payday, go, go.
When you did the bottom part. Doing eyebrows on people is like satisfying. Especially when someone having eyebrows.
Wrong person.
True.
I'm back.
Outfit.
Outfit change.
Doing me dear and Canva. So how you like the eyebrows so far?
Here's the eyebrows, guys.
You like them?
Yes, they're cute. I'm gonna change again for my next video, so.
Go, Payday, go, go.
Exactly. My mother was like, is Icylinn 18? I'm like, no, she's not, mommy.
I already told her I'm 16.
Yeah, she's just like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah, mommy, I'm sure. She's like, but I was watching her room tour video and she said 16, 17, 18. I'm like, mommy, she said the year 2017, 2018. She's like, she's down on me telling me that she's right. I'm like, mommy, I said, she's, read it, look at her way. She's like, I'm still not convinced. Okay.
Go.
I'm debating if I should put some color on it. On the cookies, so
I mean, if you want to, don't matter.
color. Should we like that?
Blue.
Blue? I was thinking like blue. I'm gonna do one eye and see how the blue looks. What should we do, like
Subtle.
Subtle. I'm feeling subtle too. Right now.
Where's the palette at? This bitch.
I'm gonna consider this a go back.
I don't know how I'm gonna do 3 videos today. Just for that shit.
Go, Petty, go, go.
I'm sorry. That tickle. Don't touch it no more. Go up. That tickle.
I'm buying new drink. Oh, Achoo. You don't know that.
I'm not editing that out either.
I just, you know, start sneezing.
No. I saw that one.
Kiss ass. Yeah, the hip, they broke though. Look up.
Yo, I feel like you gotta be white.
Girl,
You got
I'm a Kardashian, so it's automatic.
What? The
Bro, who doesn't want to be a Kardashian?
Me?
First of all, I want to get Kardashian because 1, they're rich. 2, they're rich and wealthy. I already said that for the first one, but it's okay. And look at me. And like their lifestyle is like amazing. Oh,
That's my brush. I think you know how to use the brushes.
Was like how she went to the makeup artist, sister went to the makeup artist, and she was like being mad harsh on her face that she gave her black eye. Icylinn, that's not funny. That's sad.
You're right, it's hilarious. No.
How you liking it? Faster. It's the battery life is way faster. Like you have to contour your forehead. Do it. Continue doing it. This is so far my favorite book.
Because it's me, huh?
Go, Petty, go, go. Go, Petty, go, go.
I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Copiana. Roger that. Copiana. Benny Hanna to Katana. Bitch, I've been a Donna. He screaming my government. Oh, Nika Tanya. You look like Nicki now. Still, you Tatiana. To keep it 100, bitch, you Wakiana.